Many people believe that having a dog is one of the most wonderful things on earth. This is because dogs are so loving and inspirational. They always make you feel happy, no matter what the situation is. Dogs are great companions, and they always make you feel like you have someone to rely on. They are also great for providing emotional support, especially when you're feeling down. Overall, dogs are amazing animals that bring happiness and inspiration into everyone's lives. When you take your first bite of an oatmeal raisin cookie, you are transported to a simpler time. A time when life was a little bit slower and a little bit easier. You can feel the warmth of the oven baking these cookies, and you can smell the sweetness of the raisins. There's something about constellations that just feels so inspiring. Maybe it's the way they make you feel connected to the universe, or the way they can help you reflect on your life. It's like a little game, and it's always so exciting to find one that I haven't seen before. And once I find it, I take a few minutes to appreciate it and think about what it means to me.